Hello everyone, this is Tisha and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my recent figs haul. Please excuse the dogs, they're just barking because normally there's no one here in the house and I don't hear anybody talking, and I just got home, so that's kind of like strange for them, I guess. Anyway, I was gone for a couple of weeks, so this unboxing that I'm going to do is something that I purchased during Nurses Week. And during the Nurses Week time, Figs had an additional, they had a 20% off discount, and then I was able to use my Figs cash. So, yeah, I get a little bit of discount. That tells you that I'm just addicted to this new scrubs set at this point. So anyway, it came in its regular beautiful figs box, and I already removed the seal. Yeah. So anyway, it came with that usual envelope that says figs, and my hair is just okay. And then it tells you the same thing whatever you ordered. I ordered Cade Petite Cargo Scrub Pants in navy, and I bought 3 of that. And then I bought 2 navy Katarina 1-pocket scrub top in size small, and 1 navy Casma 3-pocket scrub top. It's nothing different from what I have before, I purchased before, but I thought that this is like the most basic kind of scrubs, and it is more versatile opposed to like getting the scrubs that has different kinds of cuts and designs and stuff. I think this is very versatile, that I can use it more opposed to the other ones. I don't know, for some reason I just don't feel like wearing scrubs that doesn't really looks like scrubs. Doesn't qualify to be scrubs. I don't know. So anyway, I just think that I have to get this one. So this is the Katarina scrub top, which actually what I'm wearing right now. And I am also wearing the Cade Petite Cargo Pants. So far, I have been liking it. I think I got like the first set about a month now, maybe, or the first sets that I bought about 3 weeks now, probably. And so far, I have been liking it. So hence, I bought 3 new pairs of scrubs. So basically, I work 5 days a week. But at this point, I think I have 6, and I just put in an order last night on the website for another 3 sets. So that puts me to 9 pairs of figs. But that's okay. I mean, you know, at least I don't have to worry about like I have to get home and wash my clothes and wash my scrubs so that I have scrubs to wear tomorrow. Actually, I'm planning on using my old scrubs still, the ones that I had before the figs. I had Cherokee Infinity and the Jockey, and I have 5 pairs of the, well, I got 3 of the Jockeys and 2 of the Cherokee Infinity, but I don't know, I'll probably be using this one more than that. But yeah, this is the Katarina scrub top. This is the Katarina scrub top, and this is the Casma. Well, this is not a Casma. Oh, this is the Cade cargo pants, which you already know. You already saw it in my previous video, but I guess for the benefit of it, I'm gonna open it and show it again to you. Well, I just noticed that the Cade pants doesn't have a pocket at the back. It has this pocket here at the side like a regular pants, but it does not have a pocket at the back. Instead, it has this trim, I guess is what you call this thing, that kind of gives you a that gives you shape when you wear it. Then you have those pockets here at the side. And also, I forgot to mention to you that with the Katarina scrub top, it has this, I don't know what you call this though, it's like a pleats, I guess. Pleats at the back that when you put it on, it's just not straight and boxy. It kind of gives you a shape. Did I just cover my face? But that's what it is. And then the last one would be the Casma top. The Casma top, you've seen that before too. It's just a regular V-neck, 3 pockets, scrubs. And there you go. And this is just the quick unboxing of my figs haul during Nurses Week. So yeah, get one figs and try it on. It's absolutely very comfortable and very professional looking and very flattering. Hope this helps. Bye.